Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Bistro Ginkgo, the longevity cuisine. Today I want to show you the Padrón pepper with scrambled egg. Now, I always like to use two sauce together with oil. I only use this 7 to have a properly temperature, and I never cut before because I want to use the time with cutting and while the oil is getting hot, then just do the thing at the same time. It's time saving, then one after the other. So now, while this is cooking, I'm heating the oil for the egg. For the scrambled egg, I need much more oil because the egg will get very fluffy if we have more. We have more oil and olive oil, omega 3 acid is better than other oil. Let's combo this out and then put a little bit of sake, Japanese sake, and a little bit salt. And I let these to go to 9. Scramble the egg with 4 chopsticks. Wait a minute. I need these. Oh. So this is ready to use with the egg together now. The egg is very fluffy. The dish is ready. Now I fill it in the plate. Michael, the lunch is ready.
So fast, thank you.
For your safety, please ensure eggs are cooked thoroughly. Cook them until the yolks are firm. Foodborne illness can occur from raw eggs. Wash hands and surfaces after handling